Let's take time now and talk about arrays. Let's talk about filling an array. When we want to fill an array, we have to use a for loop, and we set the loop control variable x equal to 0. And I'm going to use the loop control variable as the index or subscript here. So take a look. X is 0, 0 is less than 4. Enter test 0 plus 1, enter test 1, and it goes into cin sc sub x. That's the array, sc. X becomes 1. 1 is less than 4. Enter the test 1 plus 1 or 2 goes into sc sub x. That would be sc sub 1. X is 2. 2 is less than 4. Enter test 3 goes into sc sub x, sc sub 2. X is 3. 3 is less than 4. Enter test 4 goes into sc sub 3 sub x. X is 4. 4 is no longer less than 4. I just filled the array. This is how you fill an array. If you want to display the contents of an array, you simply do the same for loop. Now, assuming it's already been filled and you only have one statement inside here, you want to see out sc sub x. That's how you display the contents of an array that's already filled. If you want to sum an array, outside the for loop, you create a variable called tot, give it 0. Use the same for loop, and inside you say tot plus equal sc sub x. And when we're all done with the for loop, tot is the 4 scores of the array added together. If you'd like to find the average of an array, you must find the total first, so tot is 0. Inside the for loop, you would accumulate total. And after the for loop is done, after it's done, average is equal to total divided by the number of tests divided by 4.0. If you want to find the lowest score in an array, outside the for loop, you must create a variable low and give it the value of sc sub 0. And then inside the for loop, you make one simple test. If sc sub x is less than low, then low is assigned sc sub x. If sc sub x is less than low, remember low is the first element in the array. If sc sub x is less than low, low gets that, sc sub x. When you're all done going through the for loop, low is the lowest value. To make this code run a little bit more efficiently, instead of starting x at 0 here, I may start x at 1. And that way the very first test wouldn't be necessary. I mean, when I leave it at 0 here, and low is the first thing in the array, the very first test is never going to be true because sc sub x, sc sub 0, and low are going to be the same. So in this situation, I would make x1 here. That would make the code just a little bit more efficient.